Hey everyone, so I have another video and today I'm doing King's Court with Squishies, and this is obviously inspired by the most amazing eye color 500. I've been seeing YouTubers doing this video and I'm just like, I need to do it. So here I am doing it, and I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to edit it because my editing skills still are sucky. But I'm going to try, and I just have my squishy bins like laid out next to me, and I'm just going to pick them. So yes, let's just get started. Family mushroom versus the I Am a Tokyo melon bread. I Am a Tokyo melon bread wins. Tordo versus the I Am a Tokyo toast. Red Turtle wins. The Ram versus the I Am a Tokyo mini cake roll. This one is hard because I honestly don't know. I think I'm gonna have to call a tie on this one. Versus the Bath coffee cup. This one is also really hard, but I think I'm gonna have to go with the Kalapple just because he's more cuter. Peach versus the Daydream Steam Bun. This one is also really hard. I'm gonna have to go with the Daydream Steam Bun. Hello Kitty Donut versus the Capybara-san biscuit pancake empanada thing. My lips look so orange. Ugh. I'm gonna have to go with the Capybara-san thing just because the reproduced Hello Kitty donuts suck, in my opinion. And here's the tag for that one. Okay, so we're on to the last round, and Taiyaki fish versus the Rilakkuma dorayaki. I really like both of these, but I'm gonna have to go with the Rilakkuma dorayaki. Just because this one is pretty cool. I mean, it's so smooth and I like it a lot. So that was the end of round one. Well, I've got all my squishies except for like one, it's on the ground, but whatever. And they're all in my hands, and I'm just going to start eliminating them. Oh shoot, that wasn't supposed to happen. Okay. Oh! This is like horribly hard. Melon bread's out. Capybara-san biscuit is also out, and so is the Rilakkuma dorayaki. Kalapple is now out. Oh my gosh, it's so hard. Oh my gosh, this is so... These are the two finalists. Sorry, that is not focusing for round one. And this is extremely hard because I think this is so hard. Like, I love them both so much. I'm gonna have to go with the Ram. So Daydream Steam Bun is the winner of the round. Yeah! Can't believe I eliminated this one. So cruel. Okay, so now on to round two. Aikiru and Friends versus the Jumbo Bread Common Turtle. Aikiru and Friends wins. Versus the reproduced Hello Kitty Strawberry. Reproduced Hello Kitty Strawberry wins. Elmo Cracker versus the Hello Kitty Lovely Sweets donut. Hello Kitty Lovely Sweets donut. Indian cake roll versus the My Melody head bun, which is reproduced, which, sorry, covering the camera. Reproduced Hello Kitty, My Melody, whatever. Hello Kitty mug versus the dragon rat thing, I don't know, Temodora thing. Oh, I love my mug. I think I'm gonna have to go with the pirate thingy-majig. Going along with the J. Dream Steam Bun once again versus the Cafe Dien Gelato, which I'm gonna focus. Sorry for my weird faces. J. Dream Steam Bun once again. Woo! Kitty head bun versus the Capybara San pancakes, which is, I'm trying to focus. Capybara San pancakes. Now I'm going to do King's Court. I think that's what the end is called.
I've got all of these squishies right here, so let's just go. Oh, that was gonna be out anyways.
Okay, so I've got the two finalists, and they are the J Dream Bun versus this thingy. And honestly, I don't even think this is a option. J Dream Steam Bun wins round 2. I think that won last time. I don't know, but that was my King's Court. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure that you guys try this video out because it was a blast making it. And all credit goes to iColor500 because I know this is her original video idea. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.